Welcome everyone, my name is Michael. Today we will be celebrating the 25th anniversary of Star Wars The Phantom Menace by making a painting using multiple traveling ring pours. Now, we're going to do this to honor the epic fight scene between Darth Maul, Obi-Wan Kenobi, and Qui-Gon Jinn. And guys, this is perfect timing because that is one of my favorite fight scenes. And thankfully, my very good friend Donna from It's Art by Donna had put together this 2-day May the 4th Star Wars collaboration. All right, so this is great. This is exciting. I love it. I'm also very excited because I'm sandwiched between two of my favorite people, Bubbles, who is right before me from Venom Fluid Arts, and Darren, also from Venom Fluid Arts. So it's just a great day. All right, so I will leave the colors down in the description, and I would like to get right into this. So you guys know what this is going to entail. A lot of this is going to my right side. It's going to look very mechanical. It's one of my favorite parts to edit and watch. So with that being said, may the force be with you, and I will see you on the other side. Let's go. All right, guys, I'm gonna come back in here. We're gonna finish cleaning up, but I do want to talk through this a little because you guys have to know what you just saw. And I also almost by mistake stopped realizing I was doing ring pours, and I almost started to layer these as dirty cups. I don't know why I was going to do that. I thought about that for a second, but luckily I didn't do that. So basically what I'm going to do is lightsaber colors. You know, we're having Darth Maul in the middle here. Then we're going to do separation, and then we're going to put the two Jedis on the right and left. Simple as that. Let's bring this down, and let's get ready for this. Let's bring the canvas back into frame. Then we will put down our pours, and we will go back into some nice music. And really, guys, stay tuned through the full 2 days for so many great artists. I'll tell you, this is a great event, and I want to thank Donna again for putting this together. This is awesome. All right, so we're gonna go back into some music. We're gonna lay these down. You know, guys, I will see you on the other side. Let's go. right, guys, let's come back in here. Whoo! Oh, I love it. This is perfect. It's exactly how I wanted it. Wow. Oh boy, this is great. I guess, you know what? Let me clean up a little. I'm gonna clean up my hands a little fast, if you don't mind, guys. And you know what? This is great. I mean, look at the separation we got here. This is some fantastic separation. All right. Again, I do want to thank Donna for putting this all together, and I want you guys to stay tuned for Darren, because look, I love Darren. He's fantastic. Please stay tuned. If you're not subscribed to him, please run over there too and subscribe to him. Venom Fluid Arts. All right, so may the force be with you. And you know what? I will see you later. Bye. Alright everyone, I'm back, and I just wanted to give you a quick channel update for the upcoming summer session. Alright, so Pick My Pour Season 2 is coming back. That's coming back in June. Slight changes. I'm gonna keep the colors, but I'm also gonna add variations now, and also combos in voting. So there might be actually more voting, and maybe a little less voting on the canvas sizes, but more voting on some other aspects. So that's that. Then we're gonna add 2 more new series in there, and the first one is gonna be it's gonna be called Simple, Easy, and Fun, and that's just gonna be basic tutorials trying to go down to the very bare bones and very simple aspects of the tutorials themselves. So that's that, and the next one will actually be a 2-channel crossover, but that is actually just a secret until that actually happens. But it's gonna be cool because it'll stretch out the full month, and it will stretch between the 2 channels. And also on the Michael's Making Stuff channels, I will be bringing back in the color shorts for anybody that's into just wacky fun. So and that's it. That's just coming up for the summer session on both those channels. And everybody, again, have a wonderful night or day, and I will see you later. Bye.